अकथितं च अकथितं च इति द्विपदं सूत्रं. 2 words. अनेन सूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञा विधीयते. With this sutra, the term karma is explained. अकथितम् इत्यस्य अविवक्षितम् इत्यर्थः. अकथितं means अविवक्षितं, which is not mentioned. कारकैः अविवक्षितं, which is not mentioned in terms of कारकास्. कर्म इति कारक इति च अनुवर्तते. The two terms karma and karaka are borrowed from the previous sutras. अपादानादि विशेषैः अविवक्षितं कारकं कर्मसंज्ञं स्यात् इति सूत्रार्थः. The karaka which is not mentioned by any special relation such as apadana etc. also is karma. दुहादीनां षोडशधातूनां योगे एव अकथितं च इति सूत्रेण कर्मत्वम्. In the case of 16 षोडश dhatus like duh etc., this special rule is applied. The speciality of these duh etc. dhatus are there are 2 karmas with them, attached with them. One is the pradhana karma, the main karma. There we have to apply karturipsitatamam karma. And another one may be it may be a apradhana karma. There we have to apply the sutra akathitam cha. We cannot use any other apadana etc. in this case. For example, gam dokti payaha. Gauhu means cow. Dokti means milks, the action of milking. Payaha means milk. The milkman milks the cow for getting milk. There the form dokti is a duh dhatu form. Then it gets 2 karmas. The gauhu is a karma. The payaha, milk, also is a karma. The main karma or pradhana karma is payaha or milk. There we have to apply karturipsitatamam karma. In the case of gauhu, the agathitam sutra, we will have to apply that, and it also gets the karma sapnya as the duh dhatu is present there. We can explain it like this. Atra duh dhatoh prayogat go shabdasya akathitam cha iti sutrena karma sapnya. As duh dhatu is used here, the word gauhu gets karma sapnya through the sutra akathitam cha. Tasmat karmani dvitiya iti sutrena dvitiya vibhaktihi. Then we have to apply the sutra karmani dvitiya and it will come in dvitiya vibhakti such as gam. Payaha ityatra. In the word payaha, karturipsitatamam karma iti sutrena karma sapnya. With the sutra karturipsitatamam karma, it gets karma sapnya. It is also used in dvitiya vibhakti. Another example, बलिं याचते वसुधां. बलि, महाबली. Vasudham yachate. Vasudha means earth. Yachate means begs. Vamana begs for earth to Mahabali. There also Yaj Dhatu is there. With the union of that Yaj Dhatu, the Apradhana Karma, Bali, also gets the Karma Sapnya. The main karma is Vasudha or the earth. These are the other examples. The underlined words are Apradhana Karma and they get Karma Sapnya with the help of the Sutra Akathitam cha. Some other occasions are there where the dhatus are used in the same sense as that of the 16 dhatus. There also we have to apply the Akathitam cha Sutra. Such in the case of Velim Bhikshate Vasudham. The Yaj Dhatu, in the same sense, the word Bhikshate is used. There also we have to consider Bali as karma. Dhanyavadah.